What is a policy and why do you even need it? When you buy a house, this is not done with a couple of dollars and a handshake. You always want to make sure that what you're buying is completely legitimate and it's real. This is a real thing that's happening. It's not typically a thing that happens with a piece of paper at your kitchen table. If somebody suggests that, you should be asking for, in Michigan, a title company. In other states across the country, they use lawyers, but in Michigan, we use title companies. And what a title company does is they look at the whole chain of title, it's called, and they research every last person who has ever owned that house to make sure that when they stopped owning it, when they transferred it to the next person, that it was all real and legitimate. So this video is going to go into a little bit more detail about why you need a title policy. And I'm very excited. This is a little bit different kind of video for me today. You guys all know me as the person in Detroit who flips houses, and I have a course that I sell, but there's another side of me I don't talk about as much. I am on the board of RIA of Oakland, Real Estate Investors Association of Oakland County, Michigan. And one of my roles is I lead the Earlybird session at the beginning of our monthly meetings. They're meetings for real estate investors to learn things. And I decided to invite my own title company, the owner of my title company, Erika Vogel, to speak to us about some hidden things that a lot of us might not even know that we really do need to know. And this is from the title company perspective. So this will be a series of videos going into a lot of different subjects. Check below and you'll see what they all are. If you're liking this, please go ahead and give it a like, thumbs up. It does mean a lot to me. Every single like means a lot to me. And every time somebody subscribes, I'm like touched. I love it. I appreciate it. Anyway, let's just get into what Erika has to say.
You guys all know that you get your deal put together and then you bring it to the title company and then we take a look and make sure it is insurable. Every deal can be done. It's just a matter of what it takes to get it to that finish line. So you guys can all get your paychecks and get your deal completed. We want to make you look good, so we need from you as much information as possible, and being as transparent with everybody in the transaction is also imperative to it going very smoothly for everybody. Title insurance is going to insure you if there is a problem. So if there are taxes that weren't paid, you come back, you can make a title claim. If somebody comes back and says, that's my property, which happens with some of our investor deals where quitclaim deeds are being recorded fraudulently. So if that comes back and someone says, hey, that was my property, I never sold it, I never signed that deed, your title insurance will come back and kick in and protect you and your investment. So if you get a $100,000 title policy because your purchase price is $100,000, that means you're going to have $100,000 in coverage. So you'll either get that $100,000 back, or they will go to court and fight for you and take that out of your put it against that $100,000 policy. So if there was $50,000 in legal fees, you're covered, but up to $100,000.
If you like what you saw from Erika, make sure you are subscribed because there are several more videos I'm going to make from her 30-minute presentation that was packed with information. And if you love learning this stuff, I do have a course. It's called Section 8 Rental Mastery, Manage It Yourself, the Pat and Monique method. And if you want to know more about that course, about specializing in buying Detroit rental properties, there is a link below and you can connect with me for that. Thank you so much for watching.